If you saw my last video, you know people are using Wing Toolbox to build their own custom apps that sync with systems like ServiceMate and Sun7 without even knowing how to code. But we wanted to let you build more useful and complicated apps. Stick around to the end and I'll show you how you can build a bulletproof quoting and invoicing tool in just a couple of minutes. Here is why AI normally struggles with business apps. AI thinks like a basic text editor. If you ask it to fix a mistake on a finalized quote or an invoice, it just deletes the old one and writes over it. If you run a business, you know your accountant would absolutely murder you for that. You can't just erase history. You need a proper paper trail. You have to avoid things, issue new versions, and keep your records straight. AI doesn't know how to do that by default. So that's why we built vibeTools. Think of it as a heavy-duty, business-grade Lego. It's like Lego blocks for your AI. We did all the boring, complex logic behind the scenes. So now, when you tell our AI to build you an app, you're handing it these pre-built Lego blocks. It doesn't have to guess how accounting works. It just snaps these rules into place. It automatically knows how to handle a quote revision, how to track history, and it syncs perfectly with your existing SaaS systems. But importantly, without breaking your records. Now let's see it in action. Say you want to build an internal app for your sales team. You just ask for it in plain English and give it access to the right tools. Behind the scenes, the AI grabs the quote vibeTools. When you need to update a price on or an item on the quote, the system doesn't just overwrite your data. It automatically marks the old quote as superseded. It tracks the history and drafts the new one. You didn't have to explain to it. You didn't have to explain any of that to the AI, and you didn't have to write a single line of code. And that's the result, a serious enterprise-ready business app with full security and access control built in a few minutes by someone who isn't a developer. We're starting with these core sales blocks, and we're going to be dropping a lot more vibeTools over the next few months to cover even more of your daily workflows. If you want to try it, there's a link to Wing Toolbox down below. Have a play around. Let us know in the comments what workflows you want us to build blocks for next. And I'll catch you in the next one. And remember, it's not magic, it's Wing. Cheers.